When you turn on the vehicle, you'll have to hit continue, go to the main screen, push menu, push more, and hit calibration. There you'll have to put the code in. Hit OK, and it'll come to this screen here. You'll hit more, and you'll hit direct materials, anti-ice, and auto calibrate. Now follow the prompts on the screen. It'll say to run the output, then measure the material, and you hit OK, and your screen should read 40%. And then to run it, you will push the green button. You will run for a certain amount of time. When you are done, you will turn it off, and you will run 5 gallons into a pail. Once you hit that 5 gallons, you hit next. Oops, went one too many. And then you would enter that 5 gallons right here and hit next. And we don't have to worry about the full speed because you will never run this at full speed. And you'll hit done, and you are done. Now it is self-calibrated. And now to double check your calibration, you back all the way out, and you go into main menu, you hit menu, whoops, let me back up, simulate speed, you would turn that on, hit OK, then set your speed at 30 miles per hour, hit OK, then back out, and your screen will look like this. Now to do it, what you will do is you will run this for 30 seconds at 30 miles per hour. Will give you 5 gallons based on 20 gallons per mile. So if you run this for 30 seconds, and I'm going to speed this up, it isn't 30 seconds right now, but then you would stop at 30 seconds and go check your pail, and you should be at 5 gallons, the same amount you originally brought out. And if it comes out, then you did it correctly.